just got to the lakes, just basically running this this little lure around on a straight retrieve, just on a cheb head, just to see if there's anything sort of nipping at it. And then once we've found where they are, we're going to change to some bigger lures. It looks like that one's been hit by something. Nice little fish. And he's back. So give that another go. Some decent fish jumping over there. Don't know if you can see that on the left. But yeah, like I say, just searching out the lake with a straight retrieve. Anytime I get any little bumps on the tail or anything like that, there's a little bite there. It's in the same place that I hooked the last one. Obviously a few little ones about down there. But yeah, I do that as a bit of a search method, just to see where we're getting any knocks, and then after that try and fine tune it to see what it is that they want, and try and pick out a few better fish. But generally I find on the lakes, or there's a load of fry just come flying up there, so there's definitely fish down there. Yeah, on the lakes, as opposed to the rivers, I find that the big fish tend to be roughly where the little fish are. Maybe slightly on the outside of the pack or the shoal, but yeah, generally if you can find where the smaller ones are, you'll find the better ones as well. But yeah, just do a bit of search tactics, and then once I've found a few, I then generally go to like a Texas rig, sorry, with something like a ring craw, something a little bit of a bigger bait. That's a decent fish. If that's a perch, that's a very good one. Feels like it might be a pike. Yeah, that's a pike. Hopefully don't get snapped off because I haven't got any wire on. Oh, that's not a bad one. Should have bought a bigger net. Must be right in the scissors on this, because it's only a tiny little cheb head like you saw. Hopefully it'll fit in the net. Nice pike of about, I don't know, £6, something like that, maybe a little bit bigger. He should go straight back in. There he goes.
How long have you been doing this since then? Just this season?
Last season was the first year I'd done it. But yeah, wicked looking fish, aren't they?
No.
Oh, another little one. Same one, isn't it? Oh, it is a good one.
Oh, nice one.
That's the biggest one I've had from it.
Good one.
That's a lovely fish.
Cool.
You alright to take a photo of us?
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. Corey's buried it as well.
Got a big lure as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little bit bigger. It's a curly tail one, so it's longer, but when it's curled up it's not much bigger.
No.
Straighten out. Corey's had a pike take lump out of his tail.
You good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got another decent one. Yeah. Not as big. Yeah. That's another not bad one. You're gonna have to come back in this swim, guys. Yeah. This is the best session I've had here so far. Yeah. A little grub tail Ned.